Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to create a custom scroll bar using HTML and CSS. So before starting this video, first I want to show one more thing what we are going to make. So I open my project. You can see this is the project of custom scroll bar. So I double click on it, and here you can see on the right side this is custom scroll bar which contain an hover effect. So when I take my cursor on this, you can see the color change automatically, and let me show it more clearly. So you can see this scroll bar looks amazing, and it will definitely increase your appearance of your website. So it is very helpful. So in this video we are going to see how to implement custom scroll bar in any website. So don't further delay, now let's start the video and see how to do this. And one more thing I want to tell you, I want to show you the normal look of this scroll bar. So for this I open my Visual Studio Code, and let us suppose I delete this CSS code from here. So, and if I go back and minimize it, so when I refresh it, you can see the by default scroll bar look like this. So we are going to use our custom scroll bar. So you can see if I paste my code here and refresh it, so you can see it work fine. So now in this video we are going to see how to implement this code, and I also explain this code, so don't worry. Now let's start the video and see how to do this. So for implementing this, simply open your VS Code and simply take a new file and save it first with .html extension. So you can give any name. I simply give scroll.html and then simply save it. Now first of all, simply I take a HTML tag here and simply take a head tag here, because the scroll bar is not present until I type some more text which need a scroll bar. So simply give an title to your website. So I simply give scroll bar. Now inside the head tag we have to link our CSS file. So first of all, simply take a new file for CSS. So now save it with first. So I simply give the name scroll.css. Now save it. So you can see this file saved successfully. Now simply link that file. So simply take an open bracket, type link, then rel, then style sheet, then href, and your file name. Our file name is scroll.css. Now inside head tag, below head tag, simply take an h1 tag to type something, and I simply give the style font size 20px. Now close this bracket and simply inside h1 tag simply type anything which you want. So I simply type here hello everyone. Now simply copy this h1 and simply use it many times. So I simply paste it here. So after pasting 5 times, I simply copy this again 5, and now simply paste it. Now come on desktop, and you can see this is our website scroll. So double click on it, scroll, and you can see this website is created successfully. And now we have to implement the CSS code for using custom scroll bar. So again open your VS Code. Now we have to write the CSS code. So first of all, we have to set the width of our scroll bar. So you can see this is our scroll bar, and we can use custom width. We can use 10px, we can use 15px. This is the width. There is a property in CSS is known as WebKit, and WebKit provide the scroll bar how to customize the scroll bar. WebKit provides scroll bar track, scroll bar thumb hover, and lots of other properties. You can also check on W3 schools if you don't know. So now I am going to use simple first set the width of our scroll bar. So simply take a double columns, and now you can see it automatically shown appear here. So I simply type here WebKit, then dash, then scroll bar, simply scroll bar. So first of all, we have to set the width of our scroll bar. Now you can use any width. I simply give 15px. That's done. Now take 2 colon again. Now we are going to set the background of our scroll bar. So WebKit dot scroll bar dash track, and this property of setting the background is known as track. And now you can set any background color. So I simply type here background, and you can use my color code or you can use any color code. First, for showing you, I simply use the red color code, and now I open my website and refresh it. You can see this whole scroll bar look like red, and this is now fine. So I am going to use my color code first. So I delete this code and simply I type here 3b. This is my color code. That's done. Now we have to set the thumb. So what is thumb? The thing which present above on the track is known as thumb. So we have to, here it is not present here because due to the same background color and thumb color, the thumb which is present above on the track. So for customize the thumb, we have to use the thumb property. So simply take 2 columns again and simply type here WebKit dash scroll bar thumb. You can see it appear here successfully. Now simply you can use any color. So you can use my color or you can use any color. So my color code is hashtag FC9C76. And again open your website and you can see now this thumb is changed successfully. Now we have to set the hover effect on this thumb. So for this we have to use again thumb property with hover effect. So double colon webkit dash scroll bar dash thumb, then colon, then simply type here hover, and on hover you can set any color. It is your choice. So you can use my color or you can use any color. So I simply going to paste my color code FF0404 and that's done. Now open your website and refresh it. So you can see our custom scroll bar is look amazing and it implemented successfully. So you can also change you can also give the corner padding to your scroll bar. You can also set the end corners. So you can resize button. So there are lots of property which provide by WebKit. So you can use any of property and you can easily find that properties on W3 School. So you can, in this video my main motive is to teach you how to implement the custom scroll bar using HTML and CSS. Hopefully you understand everything. If you have any query you can simply comment down below. I try to give the answer of every comment. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest update, and please follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me till now, you will find the regular coding content daily on Instagram. So thank you. See you soon in next video.